METTLER Toledo provides components such as weigh modules, junction boxes, and terminals to turn your process or storage tank into a scale. Were you ever wondering how to calibrate your tank scale and achieve precise weighing results even for high capacities? We have the answer to your question. Instead of using dead weights or filling expensive material in the tank, the downward force is applied by hydraulic equipment. With METTLER Toledo RapidCal Tank Scale Calibration, your tanks and silos can be calibrated up to 32 ton. We will bring the calibration equipment to your location. From you, we only need the attachment points on the foundation and on the tank. The RapidCal equipment is connected to the solid anchor point on the foundation. To attach the equipment to the tank, threaded rods are connected. The rod is mounted on the tank. The hydraulic cylinder and the reference load cell complete the calibration equipment. After that, the hydraulic components, such as cylinder, hoses, manifold, and hand pump, are connected. By increasing the hydraulic pressure, force is applied, which is monitored by reference load cells. The calibration terminal values are compared to the tank scale terminal. Our experts do the calibration quickly and efficiently for you. The RapidCal Tank Scale Calibration method can be used in the 1 to 32 ton capacity range. The equipment used in this method can achieve 0.1% accuracy. RapidCal costs you less than other calibration methods, such as calibration with a flowmeter or with dead weights. It is up to 3 times faster than, for example, the flowmeter calibration. RapidCal does not interfere with your tank content. The need of costly calibration materials, for example, purified water, is eliminated, and the material in the tank is not jeopardized. By doing that, the created waste is reduced too. It is the most accurate calibration method in this capacity range. RapidCal is traced back to national and international weight standards. The resulting calibration certificate complies with quality system requirements. Contact METTLER Toledo today to get more information on RapidCal Tank Scale Calibration. Our sales expert will also provide you engineering recommendations for the implementation of RapidCal.